When you hear free plugins, you probably think of limited features and constant prompts to grab the pro, right? Well, Paymattic is here to break that stereotype. Even with its free version, you get a full suite of features to accept payments, collect donations, and manage transactions from the moment you are in. Let's start from the dashboard. It offers the same flexibility for both free and the pro users. You can either start from a blank one or use any of the pre-built donation and payment templates to get started quickly. In case you already have a pre-built form, you can import it with ease. To keep multiple payment items compactly, the 2 and 3 column container can be your friend in need. And the donation progress bar adds transparency to your fundraising from the beginning to end. Because Paymattic is not just about payments, it's equally about donations. Once your form is ready, the free version allows clients to make offline payments straight from the payment page. If you're thinking about using Stripe, here's some great news. It's free to manage transactions and donations in over 135 currencies around the globe. To enhance your functionality, you can easily integrate MailChimp, Zapier, Fluent CRM, and Fluent Support effortlessly. With all that, you can download their PDF invoices and send them to your customers anytime you want. Still, there's so much more to explore. The free version includes multi-step forms, user registrations, and exceptional 3-layer security with spam protection. And if you need more, the Pro version is geared up for you. Think of ease of use, versatility, and powerful features. Paymattic is the payment plugin you have been searching for. To make transactions easier, grab Paymattic now for free.